I digress. It is what it is. I must have looked at something wrong. Welcome back, everybody. It's Jeff again with J&K Stay in Vegas with another episode of Staying in Vegas. And this time, we're at another Caesars property, the Cromwell, here on the corner of Flamingo and Las Vegas Boulevard. So in this video, we're going to give you a full, updated room tour, history tour, and restaurant tour. It's another jam-packed video, so I'm glad you're here. Let's get inside the Cromwell. Let's go. This video is brought to you by Plan and find out how you can save 40% and support J&K Stay in Vegas. Thank you, Planin, for supporting J&K. Got our room keys. Let's see what it is. We're on 506. Let's get upstairs and go check out the view. Here we go. We got it. 506. Let's go check this out. 502 to 535. It's this way. Ooh, cool hallway. Very nice. And 506. Let's get in. Ooh. All right. Well, guys, I just want to give you a quick preview of what this room has. So this is a luxury double queen strip view room, a corner view of the Bellagio fountains, 360 square feet, Parisian style furniture. Ladies, you're gonna love this. A full bulbed mirror, makeup mirror, and there's power on each side for hair dryers, whatever. In the background, you can see the lovely bathroom. They say they have a Simmons pillow top queen bed. Yeah, that's kind of the gist. I'll tell you how much, again, I paid for this room and a little bit later. And of course, at the end of the video, some pros and cons of staying here at the Cromwell. All right, let's get downstairs and check out the casino and what you can do around here outside the Cromwell. Let's go. Now, before becoming the Cromwell, this spot on the Las Vegas Strip has seen several transformations. Back in 1958, it was home to the Desert Villa Motel, which later became Empey's Desert Villa. In 1974, it was renamed the Times Square Motel before closing that year. In 1979, Michael Gaughan opened the Barbary Coast here, introducing a Victorian-themed casino, and quickly became a favorite among locals and visitors. Fast forward to 2007, it was rebranded as Bill's Gambling Hall and Saloon under new ownership. Then, in 2014, after extensive renovations, it transformed into the Cromwell, Las Vegas's first boutique hotel and casino on the Strip. So Eat Well here is your best bet if you want a little something of everything, including some coffee in the morning. Also has Lavazza coffee. They got sandwiches, croissants, and you can actually get this up into your room as well. And if you haven't noticed yet, guys, it is a very dark vibe in here, which is fine. I love the vibe in here, all the reds, and especially the old school Barbary Coast chandeliers. This is really cool. Anyway, right behind me is the entrance to Dre's Beach Club and Nightclub. The after hours party is just in front of the hotel, kind of by Eat Well. Dre's Beach Club, entrance right here, elevator right behind me. That's where you want to go. But if you're looking for something more relaxed, check out Bond Bar here, a swanky lounge near registration. They serve up craft cocktails in an intimate setting, perfect for unwinding after dinner. And sports fans, we've got you covered too. This small old Caesars Sportsbook at the Cromwell is a sleek, stylish little space to get your bets on and catch the action. Comfy seating, large screens is an ideal spot to watch your favorite teams in the heart of the Cromwell. Now, the Cromwell may be small, but it's packed with incredible spots to eat, drink, party, and even catch the game. You can even catch some big savings with our sponsor, Planin. Planin is a booking platform built on trusted, authentic reviews from creators like us. And by clicking on our exclusive link, not only can you get up to 40% off your hotel stays here in Vegas, but you'll unlock discounts for trips anywhere you travel. The best part, by booking through our link, you're directly supporting J&K Stay in Vegas, and it's completely free to sign up. And now Planin has Experiences, which curates all the hotel amenities that we've talked about to help you create your own vacation. So start saving today and make your next travel adventure effortless with Planin. some of our Vegas pros will know exactly where I was going. Stage Door Casino, right behind me, has a quarter-pound hot dog and a beer, Budweiser or Bud Light, for $3, still in this day and age. I'm gonna cut to some footage of JJ and I'm gonna show you what it's like inside. Just keep in mind, like, we all have our phones and everything. For some reason, they're really prickly about filming in there. At night, this can get a little sketchy. You are actually next to Bautista's back here. So if you liked Bautista's, they are right next door to Stage Door Casino. There's that fitness center. A nice wipes here, some towels, some waters for you. A couple of treadmills here. A bike, elliptical. Some pretty good stuff in here. Some weights on this side, some free weights over here. And some medicine balls. So this will work. Current time right now is 8:15 and there's nobody in here. So unlike Caesar's Palace, where there was a ton of people, nobody's using the fitness center this morning. So here's what the fitness center looks like. You gotta look at Flamingo right out here and Horseshoe right across the way. So at least you get an outside view to kind of look at some things as you sweat the calories off. If you're staying at the Cromwell, you can come over here to the Flamingo pool or Caesar's pool and you can enjoy their pool. You just show your room key and show your ID. Caesar's obviously a lot better and nicer pool areas. Room tour time. Well, here is the luxury 2-queen bed strip view here at the Cromwell. Beautiful beds, Simmons pillow top bedding and mattress. You have this really cool retro light and you have 2 power plugs down here along with a drawer. It does open. And the TV is like the Paris one where you can cast your phone. You have a Keurig. I've not found any coffee for this. I'm gonna call down the front desk and see what's up with that. And some mini bar items. Speaking of mini bar, they also have one down here as well. And then don't open this first drawer here because it was hanging on a thread and it completely broke off. And then in this bottom drawer, you do have your safe down here. Nice comfy little couch, huge mirror. Although you'll find that there's not a lot of lighting, but there's lighting in good spots of the room. But like this light up here is kind of flickering, is super dim, so that obviously needs to be changed. But not a heck of a lot of light over in this area here. Over on this side, there is another wireless charging for your phone along with a USB-C and 2 USB-As. As they call it, a snooze machine. So if you need a little white noise to get to sleep, they got you covered. Coming over to the wardrobe, they do have an iron and ironing board. It's very dark in this closet. There's no light that comes on. So that's why you're seeing me have my light on. Else you wouldn't be able to see the footage. Hair dryer and 3 drawers down here as well. Over here is this cool makeup mirror. Easy place to get dressed. And then they do have power outlets here. Take a look at this view in a moment. And here is the bathroom with a barn door. It slides open. Nice bathroom. All the amenities. Jose Eber shampoo, conditioner, and body lotion. Body soap as well. And check out this walk-in shower. You have a mirror in here, a bench, and even one of those really cool rainfall shower heads. Now I know this is a little trivial, but the reason why that seat is up, but I thought I'd point this out, it's all about the details. This is a soft closing toilet seat lid. I like that. This seems like it's left over from the Barbary Coast days. Look at this little teeny window here, and opening it up, you can see down Flamingo towards Horseshoe, but it does open. And let's check out this view. Got a great view of Blake Shelton's Old Red there. You can see the Eiffel Tower from this room. Again, this room is 506, is an even number, so you probably want to get even numbers and a low number. The numbers go from the elevator from highest to lowest, so we're on the very west end of the building on the 5th floor, and again, this is room 506. Unfortunately, you know, people are dumb and they're drunk in Vegas, so there is a little bit of a gap there, so these are secure, womp womp. I wish they weren't, but totally get why they are. So you can't open these windows. The window is actually really clean, so so you get some nice views, and I'll be showing a little bit of that fountain view at night like I like to do here on J&K. So I've got an 8:30 reservation for Giada. Can't wait to try the food. I've heard really good things, so let's get upstairs. I'm even gonna get a strip view too. So let's get inside and check it out. All right guys, so just sat down here at Giada and you can see the reflection coming off my face. I've got to go with the strip view when you get a Bellagio fountain view for a room, right? Now this seat does cost you another $25 per person. I kind of think it's worth it, but you make that decision. You see if that's worth it to you. I'm gonna get my order in, maybe a cocktail, and tell you all about Giada's here at the Cromwell. So my specialty cocktail, guys, has arrived. It is called the Bellissimo. It's got Bacardi rum, muddled strawberries, Aperol, and basil. It's a little fresh strawberry there. Cheers. That's good. Definitely taste the rum in that. Very refreshing too. Nothing like a view of the Bellagio fountains and a drink here at Giada at the Cromwell. So they have a tasting menu here as well. You can start with salad and your second and your third, and then they finish it off with a dessert. It's $45, which is a pretty darn good deal. All right, guys, so first on the tasting menu is the arugula salad. This is an arugula salad. It has candy lemon, crispy pancetta, and Parmigiano Reggiano. So I'm gonna try this out. Here goes nothing. That's pretty good. For not being a salad guy, I gotta admit, that's pretty good. Second on the tasting menu is coming up soon. Cheers. He came around asking if I wanted pepper on my salad. The pepper thing that he brought around was this literally like a yardstick long red pepper shaker. I thought he was gonna hit me over the head or something. I'm like, well, what do you do with that thing? He came at me like this. Anyway, just wanted to add that little fun fact. As I'm continuing with my salad, let me know in the comments below, you get intimidated when the very strong accent, in this case Italian, runs down the menu specials and you're just like, okay, yeah, I'll just figure it out. That was me about 5 minutes ago. Look at all the traffic backing up. This coffee's gonna drive right in between two cars. Second on the tasting menu, I got the bucatini. It is Calabrian chili, pomodoro, and fresh ricotta. Lovely, lovely, lovely. It's my first time trying it, so let's see. Well, that's got a little kick to it. A good and nice kick to it. It's very good. I'm gonna get a little of that ricotta cheese. That is really good. Can't wait to finish the rest of this. Third in the tasting, it's coming right up. Chicken marsala. Look at Giada right there. It is potato ganache, asparagus, and a mushroom sauce. It's got really, really good flavor. I'm not even a mushroom person, but got the little potatoes here as well. This is absolutely incredible. Things are expensive, right? But when you get a meal where all the ingredients are very fresh, and in this case, like the chicken is super tender, I don't think we all don't mind paying the prices. This is very flavorful, really good, with asparagus in this mushroom sauce. Chef's kiss, or Giada chef kiss. And last, certainly not least, some tiramisu. Look at that. I've only had tiramisu like one other time, so this will be a little bit of an adventure for me as well. That was really good. And there goes Christina's boyfriend out there. This is really, really good. Got the cute little Giada chip on top. Cheers, everybody. All right, I'll tell you my final thoughts right after these messages. Final thoughts. Giada's is very good. The food is very fresh and everything. I paid $25 extra for a seat on the strip. I expected that. For some reason, I read, I don't know where, but I read that the tasting menu was $45, you know, being that you would get small portions, right? So I'm like, you know what, I'm not gonna get the filet and all that and, you know, get a little something of everything, right? Tasting menu was $124.86. I got a drink, which was $22, which you saw, the Bellissimo, plus a 25, plus I got a Pepsi. For one person, being me, $224 with tip. I have never spent that much on a meal. Okay, I digress. It is what it is. I must have looked at something wrong. Highly recommend. Just a little bit of a sticker shock. That's okay. So you should definitely come here, but just be aware, if you get the tasting menu, that alone is going to cost you $124 a person. I got to get some sleep. A tip I have for you guys is, if you can, get yourself up really early in the morning. I know it's hard when we're out late at night and going to shows and dinner and things like that, but I tell you, it is so nice. You get any pictures you want. Look, nobody on the sidewalk, and it's already 8:45 in the morning. There's still nobody out. You get your shots in front of the Bellagio fountain. There's hardly anybody in front of the Bellagio fountain right now. If you can get up early, get any kind of pictures you want, not deal with a bunch of crazy people, chef's kiss. Well, everybody, back in the J&K studios to round up this Cromwell staycation here on J&K Stay in Vegas. A few pros and cons for you. Now, the pros, you're in the center of the strip, right next to Horseshoe, Flamingo. Speaking of Flamingo, you can use the pool if you don't want to use the pool upstairs at the Cromwell or if it's closed. And also you can use the pool at Caesars, but realistically, you're going to get your swim gear on and go all the way to one of those hotels? Maybe not. So that's kind of maybe a con as well. Also, the beds were really comfortable and enjoyed my stay there. And you could also cast your phone to the TV like you saw in some of those other Caesars properties. Now, some of the cons, now you do get that fountain view by staying in those even room numbers, but unfortunately the awning and that little small patio really does obstruct your view, but you still can see some of the view nonetheless. So what did I pay for this room? Well, I paid $172 all in. That includes the resort fees and everything. Not a bad stay for a 21 and up boutique hotel on the Las Vegas Strip. Let me know what you think down below in the comments below if you've stayed at the Cromwell, or if by this video you want to stay at the Cromwell. All right, everybody, hope you've enjoyed this staycation here on J&K. If you did, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to J&K Stay in Vegas. Take it one step further, turn on those bell notifications that will alert you to every time we post a new video just like this, or when we go live like we do on Saturday nights. All right, everybody, until the next one, stay safe and stay silly. Bye-bye, everybody.